Did you call me?
It's good that you're here. Now go and give this plate to Aunt Simmi.
Why? Did you make her favorite dish today?
No.
Then why should I take the dish?
Hey, Aunt Simmi lives in the outhouse now. So I don't know if she has cooked food or not. And then she will stay hungry, right? So let's take food for her.
Mom, I will receive friend's call.
All right.
Hello, Neha?
Hello, friend. It's me.
Hey, dear. How are you, dear?
I'm angry. You lied to us and went there, right? You have no work there, isn't it?
What do I do, dear? I have work, right? Otherwise, will I leave you so far away and come here?
If you have work, then how will you get time to call mom again and again?
Actually, today something very funny happened. I called to say that.
What?
Today my bag got changed. I mean, it got exchanged. I don't know who has it.
Your bag got exchanged. Hello, Yash.
Yes, Neha. I was telling Pari that
Yes, I heard it. You tell me, how did that happen? How did you get bag lost?
it's okay, Neha. The bag is not lost, but it has got exchanged. It can happen, okay? And the real fun happened after that.
Fun. I also want to hear that.
I mean, the bag I got after getting exchanged was very interesting. Someone had sent many letters for someone in that bag. There were letters in the t-shirt, in the pant, in the blazer, and a letter in the outside pocket too. There was a letter in the handkerchief too.
Letters in the bag?
Yes, who does that? The letters say to be safe, eat on time, take care of yourself.
But we can also make a phone call to say that. Doesn't mom tell you to eat on time and come fast on the call?
I'm saying that, but if you're so worried and miss someone so much, then you can make a phone call, right? Am I right?
Yes.
Ah, yes. So tell mom about the letters, okay? Tell her to make a phone call rather than writing letters.
But you have got someone else's bag. Then why didn't you tell mom?
Pari, you have to go, isn't it? Come on, leave.
Yes. Friend, mom has told me a very important work. I will talk you later. Bye. I love you.
Bye, dear.
Bye.
Be careful. Your bag got exchanged, right? You come back. I will deal with you.
You know something, Neha? You look even better when you're angry. Seriously.
Enough now.
I will give this before grandma comes here.
Hello, Chaudhary Palace. Mr. Motwani, how are you? Yes, I see your progress in the business magazines. Yash is in UK. His meetings will be going on. Maybe that's why it's off. Yes. Try. Okay, bye. Who is hiding behind the sofa? Who is hiding behind the sofa, Pikachu?
It's me, not Pikachu.
What are you doing here?
Mom?
Hey, Pari, what are you doing here? And the food? Why did you leave the food halfway? Don't you want to eat?
All right. So she's not eating food and doing mischief. She has also become more mischievous due to staying with Pikachu.
Grandpa, you know about kids nowadays. I told her to eat food, but she wanted to play. So I
But
told her that.
I have caught Pari. Pari's out now. Sit down and eat your food. We should eat food on time, okay? Hey, if you want to play, then you should eat your food on time, right? If you want to drive the vehicle, then you should need petrol, right? Elder brother. Listen, Pari. When I was a kid, that time my mother used to always tell me that if you want to study and play well, then you should eat properly. So, I used to eat very well whenever it was time to eat, as much as I can. I have never missed it.
Never missed it.
That's very good.
Fine, Grandpa. Now I will also eat without hesitating.
Very good. She's a very smart girl. Right? Wasn't
Yes,
I?
you're right, Papa.
Come on, eat up now. Whose plate is kept here?
Huh? Yes, whose plate is this?
Yes, whose plate is this?
How did it come here?
Hey, this plate. This is my plate. I was searching for this.
Huh? You were
Yes.
searching for the food plate?
Yes. I was about to eat, but I remembered some important work, so I left. But I left the plate here. Good, Papa, that you showed it to me.
What important work did you have to leave your work and go behind it?
That work? Yes, that I have to take vitamin pills before food, right? So I took those pills. Now I'm hungry.
You should take the vitamin tablets on time, especially during your current scenario. Come on, sit in front of me and eat it. Come on, sit.
Yes, Papa.
Yes, start.
Right now?
Then when will you eat? It's already too late. Sit down and eat.
Grandpa, she will sit on the dining table and eat.
But why?
Dad, I will sit on the dining table and eat peacefully.
But why? Sit here in front of me and eat.
I cannot eat in so much hurry, Papa.
Why do you have to be in a hurry? I have too much time. Sit and eat peacefully. If you get any other work again, then you might leave the food and run behind it. You eat. You eat in front of me.
My goodness, I have eaten so much a while back. That was too much. Now I cannot eat even a morsel of food. I think I may have acidity.
Acidity.
Hey, Grandpa, she will sit on the dining table and eat.
Why will she hesitate? She eats in front with us every day. Eat.
How can she eat like this?
But tell her to cook food for the night.
Whom?
I am much more senior than both of you. It's okay for now, but tell her to cook food for night.
Whom?
The person for whom you're taking the food. If you don't know how to lie, then why are you lying? Why do it then? Huh?
Sorry, Grandpa.
You will be hurt if anyone in our house stays hungry.
Grandma Simi. Grandma Simi.
How come you are here?
Grandma Simi, I have brought food for you. You eat it first.
Neha? What for? Do you know, I had actually taken the recipe from you over the phone. I did all that and it was so perfect in the first attempt. My goodness, I ate so much that I'm full now.
Why were you eating tomatoes?
Neha, that... I'm sorry, but I tried to make the recipe which you had given me, but I could not cook food at all. I mean, what happened is that the dish got completely burnt and I don't know what happened with the dal. And it was like a rock. It didn't cook properly. And you told me to put the chili in the dal curry. So I tried to cut it, but my hand started to burn. And then when I cutting the onions, my eyes were watering. So I touched my eyes and my eyes are still hurting a lot.
Then why did you lie? Almighty punishes us when we lie, right? Eat food fast.
No. Neha, please no. You take this. Look, if Papa finds this out, then he will get too angry on you. And I don't want you to get scolded by Papa because of me. In fact, I feel that now no one should get troubled because of me. Please take this.
Aunt, you don't want any of us to feel stressed, right? Then you please eat it. If you don't eat, then I will feel stressed.
No need, dear. Papa,
He has given the permission.
what? Is it true? Really? Papa gave the permission?
To tell you the truth, it's not like that. I mean, he got angry when he found out that I was bringing the food for you. But later on, he only said to take it. And Aunt, the thing is that if you won't eat and stay hungry, then even Papa won't eat it.
Papa has given me the permission. Only because of you, Neha. Yes, he agreed to give this because of your kindness. I said, no, please,
Aunt.
no. Take it back. Take it back.
Grandma Simi, do you have salt?
What?
If you eat tomato with salt, then it feels very good.
What? Why are you... Why will you eat this? You don't eat this. Give...
Today I will also eat tomato for lunch.
Darling, you leave it. You don't act stubborn. You have lunch, okay?
You're being stubborn, right? Then I will also do it.
So today I will also eat tomato for lunch.
What are you both up to? Why are you acting stubborn? Eat your lunch. Eat. Eat first. Eat in front of me.
First, you eat food.
You are both so stubborn. Darling, will you also teach my Pikachu to act smart?
Yes, only if he doesn't mess his face while eating chocolate.
Pari, listen. Please don't tell anyone.
Brother Pikachu, you're elder to me, right? You're my brother, right? So you should behave like a smart boy.
Yes, I am already acting like a smart boy.
You have not tell anyone at home about your report card. You should tell that. You have to take Grandma Simmy's sign on the report card, right? So will you take it or shall I take it? Shall I tell her?
Pari, did you see my charger?
No. Tell her.
No, if you tell her, then I will never
What
talk
are you
to
talking about?
It's nothing. Actually, I slept in my class today. So the teacher scolded me. So she wants to tell that to everyone.
You slept in class. You are on the mobile phone whole night, so you are sleepless. Then you go and sleep in the class. This is not right, Pikachu.
I will see you.
Brother Pikachu. Brother Pikachu, I have promised to Grandma Simmy that I will teach you how to act like a smart kid.
What are you both secretly talking? Pari, come here. What is it? You are teasing Brother Pikachu since he slept in the school?
I'm not teasing him. I'm trying to make him understand.
What?
Brother Pikachu failed in the exam today. That's why he's not showing his report card to anyone. He needs to take Grandma Simi's sign on it.
Pikachu? Pikachu, come here. Come here, dear.